Welcome back. Now we're going to talk about our full major scales. We've done our pentatonics, our arpeggios, our octave shapes, our major chord shapes, minor chord shapes. So now we're going to go into our major scale shapes. So remember, the major scale shapes are where you're involving the half steps. So in the major scale, remember, you have whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So your half steps are going to be between your major third and your fourth, and your major seventh and your root again. So you have 5 patterns of everything. The diagrams are listed. And so what I want you to do is just like we did for everything else. You're going to pick a key, you start in one pattern, connect the patterns, do the octave shape. Then you're going to do the chord shape. You do the arpeggio, the pentatonic scale, and then we're going to add the final 2 notes and make the major scale. Let's jump right into it. We'll start with C. So at C, our lowest playable octave shape is pattern 1. We have our chord shape. We have our arpeggio. We have our major pentatonic scale shape. And now we have our pattern 1 major scale shape. Always remember to alternate pick and to start and end on your lowest root. So we're going to connect our roots up. Pattern 2, major chord shape. We have our arpeggio, our pentatonic scale shape, and our major scale shape. Pattern 3, octave shape, chord shape, arpeggio, our pentatonic, and our major scale shape. Pattern 4, octave shape, chord shape, pentatonic scale, and now our major scale shape. And lastly, pattern 5, octave shape, chord shape. We have our arpeggio. We have our pentatonic scale shape. And finally, our major chord shape, major scale shape. So what I would like you to do is exactly what I just did. Pick a key. It can be C, although I do want you to try some other keys. Please, if you're up to it, try all 12. But pick a key, and I want you to connect up and down the neck your octave shapes, your major chord shape, your major arpeggio, your major pentatonic, and then your full major scale shape. And then finally, I want you to upload a video. It can be the same video. I want you to upload a video of you playing around in the major scale on a 1-chord vamp. So you just play that 1 chord over and over again. And for each pattern, you go up the neck, spend 30 seconds or a minute in each pattern, and really get a feel for each pattern and how the half steps act as they relate to the root. So I'm going to hit my looper, and here we go. I'm excited to see what you come up with. So this is C major, starting in pattern 1. And again, I'm just going to mess around in my pattern 1 C major scale shape, really paying attention to the difference between the pentatonic and the full scale by thinking about the half steps. What do the half steps sound like? What do they do in relationship to the root? Pattern 2. Pattern 3. Pattern 4. Pattern 5. Again, sequencing works very well with the major scale shape or any full 7 chord shape. So try sequencing. Good luck. I'm excited to see what you come up with.